Today we're going to read Scat Cat. There was a cat. It was a small cat. It was a striped cat. The cat is orange with black stripes on it and white paws. It was a lost cat. The cat walked and walked. Scat Cat, said the dog. The poor cat is lost. Scat Cat, said the bird. Uh-oh. Scat Cat, said the other cats. Go home. I wonder, does he have a home? So the cat walked and walked some more. Scat Cat, said the barber. A barber is someone that cuts hair. Scat Cat, said the baker, and a baker makes cakes and donuts and bread. Scat Cat, said the bus driver, go home. And the bus driver, what do? That's right, they drive the bus. The cat kept walking. Scat Cat, said the duck. There's the duck. What is the duck standing on? A turtle. Scat Cat, said the frog. Scat Cat, said the goose. Go home. The cat walked and walked until the sky grew dark. Scat Cat, said the owl. Scat Cat, said the bat. The cat curled up in a log. That's my log, said the skunk. Scat Cat. So the cat walked and walked, and the cat walked and walked some more. Where's the cat at now? The cat walked until he came. Is that his home? I wonder, did he find his house? And his chair? Let's finish reading. To a little house. The tired cat climbed the steps and curled up on a soft pillow. So it's a little house, but we don't know if it's his or not. And there the small cat fell fast asleep under the starry sky. Do you see the stars in the sky? When morning came, the cat stretched. Ooh, that feels good to stretch in the morning. The cat yawned. Do you guys yawn in the morning? The cat blinked its eyes. There was a little boy. The little boy did not say Scat Cat. What does the little boy have in his hand? Do you know what that is? I think that looks like cat food. He said, "Where have you been, cat? I have been looking for you everywhere." Meow, 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 said the small cat. It was good to be home. He did find his home. Very good. The end. See you guys again next time.